guys, today we're going to make a mask and it's going to be super soothing and anti-inflammatory and very brightening for your skin. So the main ingredients here are turmeric, honey, and yogurt, the only ingredients. And so the zinc and is going to really nourish your skin in this yogurt. The lactic acid in there is going to help to kind of dissolve dead skin cells, and it's going to just be really soothing too for your skin. The honey also super soothing, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, therefore anti-aging property. Honey is just a special treat, both inside and outside your body. And then just our really key ingredient here is the turmeric. And so the curcumin in the turmeric that gives it this extremely beautiful yellow color, or kind of golden, is going to be the really active ingredient that's going to help brighten your skin. And it's a common ingredient used in Indian cultures to prepare a bride for her wedding day. She will do masks similar to this and just body treatments with turmeric. And so this would be something that you could do maybe twice a week, and we're going to whisk this together and I'll apply it and give you a little demonstration. So we're going to just start with, and this is just plain, don't use sweetened yogurt at all for sure. And I like just whole milk yogurt, but that's my prerogative. This is a 5% milk fat, plain cream top yogurt. I'm just going to take, it doesn't take a whole lot, but just kind of like a heaping spoonful, maybe a tablespoon, in my little bowl. And then to that I will add a teaspoon roughly of honey, and about a teaspoon of turmeric. Just gonna shake it in. I'm not even gonna measure really. About equal amounts of honey and turmeric. So let's stir that together. And already you can just see this beautiful color, and it won't stain your skin if you're concerned about that. It's just gonna brighten it up. Actually, turmeric, you can use it to dye fabrics, and it's a really nice natural dye, but it's not gonna dye your skin. Okay, so we have more than enough to cover our face. So I'm just going to take and apply and let it get a little messy here. And we're going to let this sit for about 30 minutes until it hardens and starts to dry. It smells really wonderful, actually. So get your mask set, get your hair out of the way, and be prepared to let it sit for about 30 minutes. You don't want to go to the grocery store like this. Okay, looking good, right? So now I'm going to take a rag that I don't care about because it's going to turn a little bit yellow and it might stain. And my mask has been sitting for 30 minutes, and the excess, because I do have some left over, I'm just going to put in an airtight container and save that for later on. I can maybe do this another time, twice a week or so, or it'll keep for, you know, about as long as your yogurt will keep. And so it's okay, just keep it in the refrigerator. If you have extra, actually that proportion that I gave you would make about 2 masks worth. So we're going to go ahead and just keep wiping this off. Okay, so like I said, my rag's all yellow, and it's probably going to stay that way even if I wash it. But so use a rag that you don't really care about and enjoy the cleansing and healing and tightening that you'll have from your honey, yogurt, and turmeric mask. Give it a try.
Sign up for our newsletter now and you will get a free ebook with more than 49 natural health solutions. Sign up for our newsletter at gonaturalhealthy.com/newsletter. Here are some solutions that you get. Cold and flu fighting salve, easy headache relief, smoothie recipes, and 39 more pages with more natural remedies. For info on how to get that big book, then type gonaturalhealthy.com/newsletter into your browser right now and hit go. Or click on the link in the description below this video.